Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox more realistic. First, let's dive into your in-game settings. Navigate to the menu and locate the graphics quality slider. Drag it all the way to the maximum setting, typically 10, to unlock the best visual fidelity your device can offer. This simple adjustment dramatically enhances textures, shadows, and overall environmental detail, making your virtual world feel much more lifelike right from the start. It's a quick and impactful change. Next, let's explore advanced graphics options. Within Roblox Studio, you can fine-tune rendering settings like ambient occlusion and bloom, which add depth and atmosphere. For an even greater leap, consider community-made shaders. These can introduce realistic lighting, reflections, and even dynamic weather effects. While they offer stunning visuals, remember that these enhancements can be demanding on your system, potentially reducing your frame rate by 20 to 30%, so balance beauty with performance. Now, let's talk about assets and lighting. Using high-resolution textures for surfaces and detailed custom three-dimensional models can transform the look of your game. More importantly, mastering Roblox Studio's lighting system is crucial. Experiment with different light types, like point lights and spotlights, and adjust properties such as brightness and color. Enabling global illumination and realistic shadow casting can add incredible depth and realism, making objects feel grounded and environments truly immersive, often improving visual quality by 50%. Finally, let's refine the visuals with post-processing and community resources. Effects like color correction can set the overall tone, while depth of field adds a cinematic blur to distant objects, mimicking how our eyes perceive the world. Motion blur can smooth out fast movements, enhancing fluidity. Also, leverage physically based rendering materials for incredibly realistic surface interactions. Don't forget to explore the vast Roblox developer community. There are thousands of free assets and tutorials available to help you achieve your desired level of realism.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.